Yeah, I don't have much of footage for a vlog, but I will be doing an oil change on my sister's car and a couple other things. So I'm gonna do a time lapse, but I want to let you guys know that the next week we're gonna have a surprise, maybe a triple upload, but we're gonna have a lot of things planned. I'm gonna go out to I can't say where, but it's somewhere up north, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. And yeah, we're gonna have some really cool vlogs set up, some maybe a road trip or two, visit a a big mall, and yeah, and we're gonna go to an amusement park hopefully. So yeah, just to let you guys know, just to keep an eye out for next week. Triple upload, maybe, who knows, maybe a triple upload in one day or 3 uploads in a week, but we'll see. All right guys, peace. You're gonna see me do an oil change time lapse with some nice music. Yeah.